How to delete trusted installer files on Windows 8. When deleting certain files from the Program Files directory using the administrator account, I got the following pop-up. How should I work around this? Why am I asked to require permission from Trustedinstaller despite using an administrator's account?
This URL. This requires a Take Ownership registry hack. The files are in the link above. In order to install the hack, just execute the install takeownership.reg file. Then restart the explorer.exe process. You can do this in Task Manager. Now when you right-click a file, you should see an option to take ownership. Here is what it should look similar to.
You need to take the ownership of this folder and recursive files. Many times you need to take ownership of a file or folder in Windows. For example, when you want to customize Windows UI and need to replace existing system files with a new one. You have to follow no of steps to take ownership and grant yourself full permission to access the file or folder. But now you can do it in a single step. Basically, follow these steps. Enter into the folder properties. Go to Security and edit with the Advanced button the Creator Owner to your user. Here you can also find a how-to video.
Trustedinstaller is the built-in user account which Windows uses to install updates and Windows app. The folder you're trying to open is owner by Trustedinstaller and no one else has read access. Being administrator, you can change the permissions but only after you make yourself the owner. If you're sure, you can become the owner and then delete the folder.
There are files that you cannot delete even if you have the Trustedinstaller rights, obtained via Joachim's Renasty console. Even as administrator you cannot set the owner of some directories and files. With Trustedinstaller rights you can however move the directory around. But that too not to another drive. The only way to nuke the directory is to move it within a folder that will later be deleted by Trustedinstaller. Windows Apps is the right contender for this. When you delete the app, the corresponding directory is also deleted by Trustedinstaller. Start a console with Trustedinstaller rights. You can use Joachim's Renasty. Copy the directory name of the app you are about to delete. Begin installing an app if required from Windows Store, in order to create the directory if required. Then pause the download. Create a parent directory at the root of the drive. // Move the rogue directory to delete into this // directory. Move the original also to the // Now move the // into the Windows Apps directory. Finally delete the app, cancel if download was midway, to nuke them all.
Unfortunate, isn't it, Einstein?